Good evening, students. Am I audible?
Good evening, ma'am. We can hear you.
Right, okay. Thank you very much. Right, today we're going to start another new topic, right? So it's a practical one, right? I think okay. Let's start the today's session, right? So we're going to conduct the practical session on the Microsoft Word, right? And the version is 2016, right? And so I think you can do practical, right, with me. So have you all having your own laptop or desktop machine? Are you ready to do the practical with me? Otherwise, it's not possible, right? Conducting this kind of session in the virtual mode, right? I will give you some time to switch on your machines if you are logging to the session through the mobile phone. Okay. How many of you having laptop or desktop in this moment? Can you raise hand? Since while doing the practical, I can give you time to do the practical by yourself. 6. There are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is 43 students. How about others? What happened to them? I think most of you having your own machine. That means I can give you some time to do the practical while I am doing the practical session, right? Okay, so I think you may have another version rather than the 2016. It doesn't matter. You can work with any of the version regarding the Microsoft Office package, right? It can be a 2016 or 2013, 2010, right? Likewise, there are several versions regarding the Microsoft Office package. You can do your practical with the support of any Office version. Okay, let's continue. Under this topic, you will have 8 lessons. First one is understanding Word. Today I'm going to do that one. And the basic editing and character formatting, paragraph formatting, and the managing text flow. Under the lesson 6, you will learn creating tables, working with themes, style sets, backgrounds, quick parts, and the text boxes. At the last session, you will learn about using illustrations and the graphics, right? So let's start the today's lesson under the understanding of the Word. You can see here, I am going to conduct the session based on the 2016 Word version, and the Microsoft Word is kind of a word processing tool, right? What are the other word processing tools that you know up to this level or the up to now? You can search your answers through the with the support of your web browser. It doesn't matter, and then leave a comment to the comment section with your answers. Can you do that? What are the other word processing tools? You can search them. It's also kind of a learning point or the learning method. ඔයාලට ආන්සර් එක මතක් කරන්න ටයිම් එකක් නැත්තම් සර්ච් කරන්න. since you are in the virtual mode, you are having your own machine or smartphone, right? LibreOffice, yes, very good. Other than that, AbiWord, okay. Others? WPS Office, okay. It's kind of a app, mobile app. It's act as the mobile app as well. Most of the Android applications or the operating systems support to WPS Office. Apache OpenOffice, okay. WordPad, right. Okay. Search on the internet, you can understand. Rather than the Microsoft Word, there are so many word processing tools are available which are going to support for the other operating systems, right? So then, that is another answer. Google Doc, yes, and the OpenOffice Writer. Like Google Doc also kind of word processing tools with the support of cloud technology. LibreOffice Writer is there. Right. Okay. Then today we're going to learn about the Microsoft Word. Right. This appearance of the Microsoft Word 2016 is very similar to Word 2010 and the 30. Right. That's why I told you it doesn't matter if you are having any different other versions from the Microsoft Word, right? But with more enhanced features are available with the 2016. When you first launch the Word, it opened with the recent screen displayed. Once you open the Word software that you installed in your machines, it will open, or that means the first appearance or the first interface will show with the recently closed document. And then it enable you to create a blank document for creating a new doc with the supported templates which provided by the Microsoft Word. If you are having a proper internet connection, you may take time or the chance to download new templates to the Microsoft Office package as well. Let's see how you can do that, right? So then let's move into the starting point of the Word. I think you all are ready and you are opening your Microsoft Word and switch on your machines, right? I have given you time to open or switch on your machines. All the lectures are available through the YouTube and we uploaded them to the LMS as well. Easily you can download the videos to the LMS. You can find all the lectures to your LMS. So let's see the main screen or the home screen of the 2016. Here I have at some image to see you what is the first appearance of the 2016 Office package. Okay, under that you can see list of documents that have been accessed recently, and then at the right window pane it will display a blank document page and several templates to create customized documents according to your purpose. And to create a blank document, you can click on the blank document option, which is available on your front screen or the front first appearance of your Word package. Then you can open, or otherwise, with the support of the recent tab or the navigation bar, you can open recently closed documents. Okay, so let's see. Let's try with the screen. I will share my screen. I think you can see my screen, desktop. So here you can see, I can't find, can you find the Word icon in my desktop? Anyone? Yes or no? Here you can see the icon for the Word, right? It's already available. PowerPoint icon is also there. Likewise, if you don't have the icon on your desktop, right? You can simply search on the search bar to find out the Office package, right? Otherwise, you can make a pin or the shortcut to your desktop to open your Word package easily, right? So then let's move to the search bar. No කියලා chance එකක් ඇවිත් තියෙනවා. හැබැයි බලන්න word එක මෙතන පේන්න තියෙනවා. Right? If you can simply double click on this desktop icon. Right? Others who can't see your Word application on your desktop, you can easily search on your search bar Word. Right? Once you type 1 or 2 words, you can see available software in your machine for word processing task. So simply you can click on the or the press enter button. Here, this is the first appearance of your Word document. Here you can see, if it is updated one, you can see it will say good evening, right? And then under the left side of your screen, you can see the home, new and open icons are available. And then you can see newly created templates which provided by the Microsoft Office. They also available. And then you can see at the first line, blank document is available. If you want to create a new document, you can click on the blank document. Otherwise, if you want to open recently closed document, these are also available here, right? Okay, then I will click on the blank document. You can also go with me. I think you are doing the practical following me. Am I right? මම මේ වැඩ ටික කරන විදිහටම ඔයගොල්ලොත් follow කරනවා නේද? එහෙම නැත්නම් මේ process එක කරලා වැඩක් නැහැ පුතේ virtually. මොකද ඔයගොල්ලෝ lab එකට එන්නෙත් නැහනේ. ඒ නිසා ඔයගොල්ලෝ try කරන්න ඕනි මේ practical time එකේම. Okay. Let's come back to the tute. Here. Working with tools. Now we move in to understand about the first interface. Once you click on the blank document, you may take a different interface, right, rather than the first interface. So here you should understand several tools which are available or provided by the Microsoft Office. Under that, you can see several commands are available. And you can see your title bar, right? And you can see your quick access toolbar. And they are having several commands. And also you can see the ribbon, right? Let's see one by one about these commands and the ribbons and the groups and menu. Likewise, so many things are available in the second interface. That means once you click on the blank document, you may come to the another interface under the Office package. You should aware about each and every component that you can see in the interface. Okay, let's come back to the Word document. Let's see or let's understand one by one. First thing, can you see these words? Document 1, Word. If you are open 2 or more documents, right, you may have document 2, document 3. Likewise, your name will be different from my one. Right. This is called as title bar. මේ තියෙන්නේ document 1 කියලා appear වෙලා තියෙන title bar එක. You can see title bar in this blue line. Okay. Right. And then from this place, at the top corner in left right, you can see quick access bar. Here in my interface, it representing only the save icon, undo and the redo option. Clear? Hello, හොයාගත්ත නේද? Left hand එකේ top corner එකේ තියෙනවා quick access bar එක. Right? Once you move your cursor one by one, you can find one is going to represent the save icon, other one is going to represent the undo option, and the other one is redo option. And also Here you can see drop down icon is available in your quick access bar. Once you click on that, you may take a drop down list. In that drop down list, it will show customized quick access bar, right, based on your right. Okay. Here you can see there are so many icons are available, or the commands: new, open, save, email. Likewise, so many commands are available under this drop down list. හරි. සිංහලෙනුත් කියලා දෙන්නම් ටිකක්. right. ඔයාලගේ පළවෙනි ඉන්ටර්ෆේස් එක blank document එකක් icon එකට ක්ලික් කරාට පස්සේ මේ තමයි first appearance එක. right. එතකොට මෙතන මුලින්ම තියෙනවා title bar එක. title bar එකේ තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ document එක save කරාට පස්සේ එතන appear වෙන name එක. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දෙන name එක තමයි මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. Still we didn't save our document. right. අපි තාම මේ document එක save කරේ නැහනේ. ඒ නිසා document එක open කරාට පස්සේ අපිට දෙන නමත් එක්ක title bar එක මේ විදිහට appear වෙලා තියෙනවා. මේ red color line එකේ. ඊළඟට වම් අත පැත්තේ උඩම top corner එකේ ඔයාලට හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් quick access bar එක. මේ quick access bar එකේ දැනට මගේ interface එකට අනුව available වෙලා තියෙන icons 3යි. බලන්න ඕගොල්ලෝගේ quick access bar එකේ icons කීයක් available ද කියලා මේ වෙනකොට. right. එතකොට මෙතන තියෙනවා මගේ මුලින්ම save icon එක, undo සහ redo options දෙක. තාම undo සහ redo option ටික enable වෙලා නැහැ. මොකද මම තාම document එක ඇතුලේ වැඩක් කරපු නැති නිසා. හරි. ඊළඟට මෙතන තියෙන පොඩි drop down arrow එකක්. එහෙම නැත්නම් e හිසක් තියෙනවා පහළට. මේ වගේ e හිසක් තියෙන හැම තැනම ඔයාලට පේන ඇති මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙනවා මේ විදිහට මේකේ පහළට චූටි ඊතලයකින් පෙන්වන්නේ ඒ පෙන්නලා තියෙන icon එකට අමතරව එයා ඇතුලේ හැංගිච්ච තව icons තියෙනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් තව commands තියෙනවා කියන එක. එතකොට මෙන්න මේ quick access bar එකෙත් මේ විදිහ arrow mark එකක් තියෙනවා. ඔයාලට යවුඩ click කරන්න පුළුවන් කියන අදහස දීලා තියෙනවා. drop down list එකක් තියෙනවා කියන්නේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මෙතන click කරාට පස්සේ customize කරගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාලගේ quick access bar එක ඔයාලා හිතන විදිහට. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාලට ඕනි items ටික දාලා quick access bar එක customize කරගන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට මේ tick mark එක වැටිලා තියෙන්නේ දැනට available icons ටික. ඔයාගේ quick access bar එකේ. මෙන්න මේ ටික තමයි අපි මෙතෙන්ට එනකන් කතා කරේ. Okay. If you want to add new icon, new command to your quick access bar, simply you can click on this command. You can see icon going to add into your quick access bar. Once you move your cursor to the newly added icon, you can see new blank document. Or short key is Control N. Hari. How to activate MS Word? Please explain in English. Oh my God. I will explain using both language. Right? දැන් මම මෙතෙන්ට යනකම් ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියලා දුන්නා. මම දැන් සිංහලෙන් කියලා දුන්නේ. ඒ කියපු ටිකම. හරි. ඒතකොට ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ. මාර වැඩේ වෙන්නේ. ට්‍රාන්ස්ලේටර් කෙනෙකුත් මෙතනින් ඉඳවගෙන තමයි කරන්න වෙන්නේ. දැන් ටයිම්ස් වෙනම සෙෂන් එකක් කරා යන්න. හරි දැනට ක්ලියර් නේ? මම ඉංග්‍රීසි වලිනුයි සිංහලනුයි දෙකෙන්ම එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරා. හරි. ඕකේ. මොහොමඩ් ඕකේ නේද පුතා? ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ නේ. මම අපහු අලුතෙන් දෙයක් කියන්න පටන් ගත්ත ගමන් I will explain in English as well as the Sinhala. Right? I think it's possible. Okay. So you can see newly added icon is available in your quick access bar. You can add other commands as well. You can add open icon, right? You can add draw table option and you can add touch home, mouse mode, spelling and grammar, each and everything, right? ඔයාලගේ version එක අනුව මේ features ඔක්කොම drop down list එකේ නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. right? එතකොට එහෙම නැහැ කියලා බය වෙන්න එපා. හරි. ඒ තියෙන ඔයාලගේ version එක අනුව. According to the my version in my machine, I am having several commands under the quick access bar. right? Each and everything I can add. right? quick access bar එකට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි add කරගන්නේ අපිට recently access කරන්න ඕනේ. එහෙම නැත්නම් ඉක්මනට quickly access කරන්න ඕනේ දේවල් ටික තමයි add කරලා තියාගන්න. Okay? Right. Same, you can remove them from the quick access bar as well. Right. මේ tick marks වැටලා තියෙන ඒවා උඩ අපහු පාරක් click කරොත් මේ දේවල් quick access bar එකෙන් remove කරගන්නත් පුළුවන්. You can see open, new and the email options are removing from the quick access bar too or the bar. Clear? Then the other one. Now we move into learn about the ribbon. Okay, right. Ribbon means it's having some list of tabs. And also each and every tabs are come up with the several commands related to that tab. Here I will explain about the tab and mark the tab or the ribbon, right? You can see from this title bar, end point of the title bar to this point, we can take as the ribbon. Right. This place we called as ribbon. ඔයාලට පේන ඇති gap එක. මෙන්න මේතන තියෙනවා tabs ටිකක්. පේනව නේද? How many tabs are available according to my screen? How many tabs? Tabs කීයක් තියනවද? You can check like this. File tab and home, insert, design, layout, likewise up to help. Right? And there is another option called tell me what you want to do. Right? Helping options is available. Likewise, it's having several tabs inside the ribbon. Each and every tabs, once you click on each and every tab, so once you moving from one tab to another, each and every tab having specific commands related to that tab. Okay, let's see. Once you open the insert tab, you can see commands going to be changed. Once you click on the layout, right? Okay, then here you can see each and every tab having specific commands related to that tab. Right? Once you go one by one, you can see there can find different applications. Right? Right. Here you can see several tabs are available, and then under the tabs, right, they may having some drop down lists, right, some specific groups, right, related to specific commands. They are having several groups, and also they are having a dialog box launcher option also available. Let's see one by one. Here under the home tab, ribbons having several groups. You can see clipboard groups is there, font group is available, paragraph and the style, and other one is editing, right? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 groups are available under the home tab. And also under the font, you can see this kind of icon, arrow mark, right? This arrow marks going to provide the drop down list. Each and every arrow marks which appear in this way, you can see they are having hidden activities. So the hidden functions. Once you click on these icons, you can find several options available related to that icon. Right? Likewise, once you click on these drop down arrows or drop down icons, you can find several applications. Okay. So then there is another option. This kind of icon you can find from each group. But in the editing, it's not going to provide. But styles, paragraph, and the font as well as the clipboard, they are having this icon. Once you click on this icon, it's going to appear, right, or the provide dialog box launcher. We called it as dialog box launcher. Once you click on this, right, it's provide dialog box launcher related to the font group. It's having font facilities, right? Font change in the font type, font style, font size. Likewise, so many applications, so many formattings are available under that font group, and advanced features are available. Once you click on this icon, right, you can launch your formatting or the file group launcher. Right? Likewise, you can find several options are available under the each and every tab. Right? Once you come to the insert tab, here you can find several groups also with the different kind of commands related to that groups. Pages, tables, illustrations, add-ins, links, media. Likewise, you can find several groups and related commands. Clear? Lemma singling kiyanna oyne. Right. Okay. I will explain in single again. මෙන්න මේ විදිහට දැන් ribbon එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ identify කරගත්තා. ribbon එක start කරනවා title bar එකේ end point එකේ ඉඳලා මෙන්න මේ ruler එක start කරන තැනට එනකම්. මෙන්න මෙතන තමයි අපි කියන්නේ ribbon එක කියලා. right. ඒතකොට ribbon එක එන්නේ tabs කිහිපයක් එක්ක සහ එක එක tab එකට related වෙච්ච commands groups එකතුවක් තමයි ribbon එක කියලා කියන්නේ. right. එතකොට ribbon එකේ තියෙනවා පුතේ tabs ගොඩක්. එකක් file, home, insert, design, likewise up to help you can find several tabs. හරි. tabs ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. මේ tabs one by one ඕගොල්ලෝ click කරොත් හැම tab එකකටම එයාට ආවේනික වෙච්ච formattings තියෙනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් commands තියෙනවා. අපි මේ තියෙනවට කියන්නේ commands කියලා. බලන්න one by one ගියපුවාම එයාලට related වෙච්ච commands තමයි open වෙන්නේ. ඒ වගේම මේ හැම tab එකකම open වුණාට පස්සේ එන ribbon එකේ groups identify කරගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාලට. මම දැන් පෙන්නනවා මොනවද ඒ groups කියලා. clipboards කියලා එක group එකක් තියෙනවා home tab එකේ. font කියලා තියෙනවා, paragraphs කියලා තියෙනවා, right? styles and editing. That means how many groups are available under the home tab. Groups කීයක් තියෙනවද? කීයක් විතර තියෙනවද? 5යි. right? home tab එකට groups 5ක් තියෙනවා. මේ හැම group එකකදීම එයාට specific වෙච්ච commands තමයි තියෙන්නේ. බලන්න font කියන එකෙන් අදහස් කරන්නේ අපේ letters එහෙම නැත්නම් characters edit කරගන්න එක. අපේ document එකේ තියෙන එතකොට ඊට රිලේටඩ් වෙච්ච දේවල් ටික තමයි ෆොන්ට් ගෲප් එකේ තියෙන්නේ. බලන්න ෆොන්ට් ස්ටයිල් එක වෙනස් කරන්න, ෆොන්ට් සයිස් එක, ඊළඟට බෝල්ඩ් කරන්න, ඉටලික් කරන්න, අන්ඩර්ලයින් කරන්න, කලර් කරන්න, හයිලයිට් කරන්න. මෙන්න මේ ඔප්ෂන්ස් ටික තමයි මෙතන තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට අපි පැරග්‍රාෆ් ගෲප් එකට ආපුවාම පැරග්‍රාෆ්ස් වල චේන්ජස් වලට අදාළ කමාන්ඩ්ස් ටික තමයි පැරග්‍රාෆ් සෙක්ෂන් එකේ තියෙන්නේ. මෙතන බුලට්ස් දාන්න, නම්බරින්, රයිට්, ඊළඟට alignments, ඊළඟට line spacing, right. ඒ විදිහට එයාට රිලේටඩ් වෙච්ච actions ටික පැරග්‍රාෆ් සෙක්ෂන් එකේ තියෙනවා. මීට අමතරව ඔයාලට මේ පෙන්ලා තියෙන සෙක්ෂන් එකේ පේන icons වලට අමතරව වැඩි විස්තර ඕනි නම්, right, ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ චූටි icon එක උඩ ක්ලික් කරන්න. මෙන්න මේ හැම icon එකම සමහර groups වලට විතරයි මේ launch option එක පෙන්වන්නේ. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මේ icon එක උඩ ක්ලික් කරන්න. font group එකට අදාළ advanced features ටිකක් ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. මෙන්න මේ icon එක උඩ ක්ලික් කරපුවාම අපි මෙයාට කියනවා dialog box launch icon එක කියලා. right. එතකොට එයාගෙන් අපිට appear වෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ interface එකක්. එහෙම නැත්නම් dialog box එකක්. ඒ dialog box එකේ font එකට related වෙච්චි හැම feature එකක්ම, facility එකක්ම පෙන්නනවා ඒ icon එක උඩ ක්ලික් කරාට පස්සේ. clear? පැහැදිලිද? මෙතෙන් එනකම් හරිනේ? ඔන්න මම දැන් ඉංග්‍රීසි වලිනුත් explain කරා, සිංහලෙනුත් explain කරා. Now there is no any conflict. Right? Okay. Let's move on. මේ part එක තමයි අපි දැන් කතා කරේ. Use the ribbon to now aware about this interface. Right. Here, now you can identify one by one. If you see this kind of interface, right? Command group is available, dialog box launcher is there, and the collapse ribbon. I will teach you this as well. Drop down arrows are available, and several tabs are available under the ribbon. This is the ribbon. Okay. So review the other tabs on the ribbon and review each group associated with the tab and identify the arrows that launch a dialog box if present. That means each and every group's not going to present about the launching arrow or the dialog box launch arrow. You can see editing group not having dialog box launch icon. Some groups may have, some groups may not have. Okay, click the layout tab to make it the active tab. Notice that the groups command are changed. Then the layout tab contains 3 groups. Likewise, the page setup and the paragraph and arrange. You can click on each and every tab and see the different commands. So then you can click on the home tab. We did that one. Under the home tab, you could find 5 groups are available, and also different commands are there related to the groups. Okay. Let's come back to the Microsoft Word. Here you can see drop-down list are showing with this icon or the arrow mark. You can click on that. This home tab icon going to provide various text styles, right? You can use any kind of text style from this list, and also using this scroll bar, you can scroll down. Likewise. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් mouse එකේ left key එක press කරගෙන මෙන්න මේ icon එක පහළට drag කරන්න. ඒකට අපි කියනවා scroll bar එකක් කියලා. එතකොට අපිට scroll up and down provide කරලා තියෙනවා facility එක. mouse එකේ keyboard එක mouse එකේ left button එක press කරගෙන ඔයාලට මේ වැඩේ කරන්න පුළුවන්. scroll කරන්න. Okay, and you can select specific font style. Okay, then I missed this one. Collapse bar. right? Collapse ribbon option, this one. I'm going to teach about this icon. Okay, let's see. Collapse icon, right? Once you click on this collapse icon, you can hidden your ribbon. Just try that one. Right. Okay. Now you can see you hide your ribbon. Then කොහොමද ribbon එක අපහු ගන්නෙ? Can anyone try that one? Right? Simply you can click on click on the tab icon here. Right? Once you click on the tab, you may appear your ribbon again. Right? Come back to this icon or the right side. You can find the pin option. The mic එක open ඔන්නලා හරි. මේ විදිහට ribbon එකේ collapse icon එකට click කරොත් ඒක උඩට යනවා. right? hidden වෙනවා. අපහු මේ tabs එකෙන් click කරාට පස්සේ මේ pin option එක මේ විදිහට අපිට click කරාම අපහු ribbon එක permanently place කරගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාලට. හරි? right. clear? okay. right. Then let's move to the next one. එකට කියන්නේ collapse bar එක කියලා. right? එහෙම නැත්නම් collapse tool එක කියලාත් කියනවා. Now you know about the quick access bar. We did that one. And then save and save as option. Right? Once you open your document first time, definitely you should save your document. Otherwise, if there is any power failure, each and every works that you done may be lost. Right? To avoid from that one, first, once you open your document, right, definitely you should save your document at the very beginning. Right? If you are opening your document at the very beginning or the first time, you can use save as option. Otherwise, you can use save option. If it is already saved one, you can click on the save option. What is the short key to save a document? What is the short key? මොකද short key එක save කරන්න පාවිච්චි කරන්න? Give me the answer. Yes, Control S. That is the short key. අපි document එකක් open කරපු ගමන් ළමයි, right? මුලින්ම මෙයා appear වෙන්නේ RAM එකේ. When we discuss about the inside process of your computer, right? Now you know about these things. I am not going to remind them again, and I'm not going to asking any question from you. I think you are expert regarding the performance inside the computer. Okay, right. Once you firstly open your document, you can find that one in your RAM or the random access memory. Random access memory means a kind of a virtual memory or the, sorry, virtual, not the virtual, it's a volatile memory. Volatile memory means what? Nashya matakaya, right? They are going to store something until power is there. Power නැති වුණු ගමන් RAM එකේ තියෙන දේවල් loss වෙනවා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ document එකක් එහෙම නැත්නම් මෙන්න මේ task bar එක. ඔයාලට පේනවා මෙන්න මෙතන මෙයාට කියන්නේ අපි task bar එක කියලා. මේ task bar එකේ ඇපිය වෙලා තියෙනවා දැනට මගේ web browser එක and Zoom application and my PDF and Word document, right? 4 type of applications are currently open in my machine. Each and every these applications I can find in my RAM or the random access memory. මේ හැම application එකක්ම open වෙන්නේ මුලින්ම RAM එකේ. හරි ඒකයි power loss වෙච්ච ගමන් මෙන්න මෙතන open ලා තියෙන හැම දෙයක්ම loss වෙනවා. එයා తాවකාලික මතකයක් නිසා. දැන් මගේ document එකේ name එක ඔයාලට පේනවා ඇති. document 1 කියලා තියෙන්නේ. right? මේක මම දීපු නමක් නෙමෙයි. Microsoft Office package එකෙන්ම මෙයාට දීපු නමක්. හරි. ඒ හින්දා පළවෙනිම කාරණේ තමයි ඔයාලා අලුතෙන් document එකක වැඩ පටන් ගත්ත ගමන් අනිවාර්යෙන් එයාව save කරන්න ඕනි. And also if you are working with the desktop without having any UPS, right? You should save your work time to time. ඔයාලා අනිවාර්යෙන් මේ ටික time to time save කරන්න ඕනි. Let's go ahead. Simply you can take a paragraph, right? දැන් කොහොමද මම paragraph එකක් මේකට ගන්න කිව්වොත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගන්න? Is there any simple way to get a paragraph to your document? අලග method එක මොකද්ද? මම මේකට paragraph එකක් දැන් ගන්න කියනවා within 1 minute. Can you do that? Or within 2 or 3 seconds? 1 minute උත් වැඩි. තප්පර දෙක තුනකින් මම කියනවා ඔයාලට මේකට paragraph 4ක පොඩි description එකක් add කරන්න කියලා. Can you do that? Yes. There is a person expert in the word, right? Simply you can type equal sign and then type rand. පේනනේ දකුණු ටික. කවුරුයි try කරනවා නම් try කරන්න පුළුවන් මේත් එක්ක. You can type with equal rand and then add open and close bracket. Simply you can press enter. Here you can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs. Likewise, you can take a paragraph within 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, right. හරි. මෙන්න මේ විදිහට ඔයාලට පුළුවන් document එකක් add කරගන්න. sorry paragraphs ටිකක් add කරගන්න ඔයාලගේ word එකට. දැන් මතකනේ equal sign එකයි RAND rand කියලා type කරන්න open and close bracket. Simply you can take paragraph, right? Okay, then now I am going to save my document. Very beginning you should save it. So simply you can press Ctrl S in the keyboard, right? Otherwise you can go to the file tab. Under the file tab you can find save and save as options are there. At the very beginning you should click on the save as option since it is not already saved one. Then you can click on the browse. If you can't find the saved location in this place, simply you can click on the browse option. Then you can click on the select the place that you want to save your document. Okay, here you can find this PC option. Right under that you can scroll down with the support of this bar, right? And then you can find your drives available with you, right? Under the in my machine I am having only the SSD card, right? So if your machine you can find several drivers may be available, C, D, F, likewise they will be the name as well. Then you can click on the space that you're going to save your work. I am going to save my document in the desktop. Here I can create a new folder with the support of short key Control Shift N. Control Shift N. Control එකයි Shift එකයි keyboard එකේ N එකයි press කරගෙන අලුත් folder එකක් create කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Then rename your folder. Likewise, and then press enter. You can create your new folder. Then open it and give the file name in this place. I will give my file name as doc test 1. Right. Then save as type. You can select the save as type. Currently, I want to save my document as a Word document. If you wish to save your document as a PDF, then you can select the save as type as the PDF or XPS document, web page. Likewise, there are so many options are available under the save as type. Then you can click on the save icon here. Okay, now you can see title bar going to change with our provided name. හරි. Control Shift එකයි Control එකයි N එකයි පුතේ. හරි. Control Shift N එකෙන් පුළුවන් අලුතෙන් paragraph එක fold එකක් create කරගන්න. ඊළඟට මෙන්න මෙත හරි. ඊළඟ එක්කන අහලා තිනවා කොහොමද මේ document paragraph එක ගත්තේ කියලා. Right. Simply you can type equal rand RAND, then open and close bracket. Right? Then you can press enter in your keyboard. Right? You got the point. හරි නේද පුතේ? තේරුණානේ? Okay. Let's go to the note. දැන් දන්නවා මුලින්ම save කරන්න ඕනි. අපි save කරගත්තට පස්සේ ඊට පස්සේ අපිට time to time කරන වැඩ ටික control S වලින් save කරන්න පුළුවන්. Right. Laptop එකක නම් issue එකක් නැහැ. මොකද එයාට power saving option එක තියෙනවා. Battery එක තියෙනවනේ. සහ මොකක්ද මේකේ meaning එක? Mohammed. I can learn Tamil. Dai Eppura. What's the meaning of that? Mohammed. I copied your comment. I will search it through the Google Translator. Okay. I will find about your comment later. So let's go on. Then undo and repeat option. Please switch off your mouth. My mic. Okay. Right. Sorry for the inconvenience. Right. I got a call. Right. That's why I mute my mic. So that's a personal and unnecessary message. If so, why you are sending that kind of messages to this chat? It's a professional one, no? You are in a class, right? You should behave yourself. That's the first task. Okay? Right. Again, come back to the session. Please don't leave unnecessary messages to the group. Now you learn about the ribbon, quick access bar, and the saving option. Undo and redo options you may learn in future. Quick access toolbar usage, we discussed already that one. If you want more details, so once you going to do the practicals after the session, you can follow this tutorial, right? That's why each and everything is going to be added to this document. You can follow this template or the note once you're going to practice by yourself after the lecture, right? Then now you are moving to creating a new document, right? Okay, so here there is another part you should learn, this part. Now you know about the title bar and the ribbon and the quick access bar, and also this is the interface. Here you can see ruler is available. You can keep margin, right, based on the ruler. And then here you can see another another bar under the bottom of your interface, word interface. That is called as status bar. right? Status bar එකෙන් තමයි ඔයාලට මේ පහළ තීරුව පහළම bottom side එකේ task bar එක 2D word interface එකේ පහළම ඔයාලට තියෙනවා ඊළඟ තීරුව අපි ඒකට කියනවා task status bar එක කියලා. මේ status bar එකෙන් දැනට current situation එක තමයි පෙන්වන්නේ ඔයාලගේ word document එකේ. Here you can see still we are having a one page document. So that's why it's showing page 1 of 1. right? අපි ඉන්න page එක සහ දැනට pages කීයක් create කරලා තියෙනවද කියලා මෙතනින් අපිට status එක update කරනවා. Then current words in our document. How many words are there? We are having currently 239 words, right? And then language. This is going to provide you the language that you are using. And then once you click, once come to this side, it's going to provide another status about your document, right? This is providing the read mode, right? You are having 5 type of view modes are available in your Word, right? This is the first one, read mode, right? Once you click on the read mode, you may get this kind of interface. You can move one by one once you click in this arrow icon. And then this is the print layout. Currently you are in print layout. This is called as print mode. And then other one is web mode or the web layout. This is the another view that you can see your document. Once you click on the web layout, you can see your document going to appear in your website like this. So then this one, zoom in and out option is available in your status bar. Clear? පැහැදිලි නේද? Do I need to explain that one in Sinhala again? මේ තියෙන්නේ පුතේ status bar එක. status bar එකේ අපිට පෙන්නනවා අපි දැනට pages කීයක් document එකක් create කරලාද සහ දැන් අපි ඉන්නේ මොන page එකේද කියලා. ඊළඟට දැනට අපි words කීයක වැඩ කරලා තියෙනවද? එහෙම නැත්නම් words කීයක් document එකට enter කරලා තියෙනවද කියලා අපිට පෙන්නනවා. ඒ වගේම මේ words වලින් අපිට view mode 5ක් enable කරලා තියෙනවා. right? ඒ කියන්නේ අපිට document එක දකින්න පුළුවන් ආකාර පහ. පළවෙනි එක තමයි මෙතන status bar එකේ 3යි available කරලා තියෙන්නේ. අපි ඉස්සරහට බලමු අනිත් ඉතුරු දෙක මොනවාද කියලා. පළවෙනි එක තමයි read mode එක. අපි මේකට ක්ලික් කරපුවාම document එක convert වෙනවා readable format එකකට. ඔයාලට edit කරන්න බෑ එතනදී. document එක පේනවනේ නේ. cursor එක appear වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. ඊළඟට තියෙන්නේ print layout mode එක. අපි මේ විදිහට තමයි print එක එන්නේ අපිට document එක සහ අපි type කරන්නේ edit කරන්නේ මේ mode එකේදී. ඊළඟ option එක තමයි web layout කියලා කියන්නේ. මේකෙදි පෙන්නනවා අපේ document එක web එකක් විදිහට ගත්තොත් appear වෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියන එක. right? ඊළඟට මෙතන තියෙනවා zoom in and out option එක. ඔයාලට මෙන්න මෙයාව drag and drop කරලා zoom in and out කරන්න පුළුවන්. right? මේ තියෙන zoom out option එක. Likewise, you can do the zooming options with the support of this bar. Clear? Please give me a minute. Sorry for the inconvenience again. Let's move on. Creating a document. Under this part, you are going to create a document, right? So here, again, I am come back to the print layout mode. Since I am going to edit my document, then you can see I didn't make any font changes or the formatting to get this or the appear this paragraphs like this, right? Default section, so the default functionality or the default formatting added to the paragraphs that I have added to the document. මේ document එකට add කරපු paragraphs මම format කරේ නැහැ. නිකම්ම මේ කට්ටිය line වෙලා තියෙන තමයි මේ. right? අපි දන්නේ මේකේ margins කොහොමද තියෙන්නේ? මගේ rule එක appear වෙලා හින්දා මට පුළුවන් කොච්චරද margin එක කියලා guess කරන්න. You can add if you can't or the your machine is not visible, your ruler, simply you can move into the tab called view. Under that, you can find the ruler option under the group called show. Show කියන group එකේ commands තුනක් තියෙනවා. Right? View tab එකේ ruler, grid lines and the navigation pane. Right? Once you click on the ruler, right? In my case, it is invisible. Right? Once you click on the again in the ruler, it will be visible. And then grid lines option, once you click on that, you can take this kind of grid line in your interface or the word page. Then if you want to remove that one, you can click on this tick mark again. And the navigation pane, it will appear like this. You can remove that one as well. So that is the way, this is the default formatting in my document. Right? You don't know about the font size. Right? Once you click in the paragraph, you can see when it's come to the home tab, your paragraphs in font size 11. Right? You are using Cascadia code of font style. Likewise, you can see it's already added some formattings, right? Default formattings. You can change these formatting with the support of home tab, right? With the support of other relevant groups. Okay, then let's see one by one. Displaying non-printing characters, right? When it's come to that page, under the home tab, you can see this icon. මම හිතනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝම හොයාගන්න ඇති කියලා. home tab එකේ paragraph කියන group එකේ මෙන්න මේ icon එක තියෙනවා. Once you move into that icon, your cursor, you can see show or hide. Show or hide icon. We called it as show or hide icon, right? අපිට පුළුවන් මෙතනදී මේ icon එකට click කරොත් hide වෙලා තියෙන option ඔයගොල්ලෝ add කරපු spaces බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්, ඔයගොල්ලෝ add කරපු tabs බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම ඔයාලා paragraphs කොහොමද පටන් අරන් තියෙන්නේ, right? Page breaks add කරලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද, right? Page sections add කරලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද? මෙන්න මේ දේවල් ටික ඔයාලට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් මේ show or hide option එක උඩ click කරලා. අපි මේකට කියනවා non printing characters කියලා. හරි. මේවා print වෙන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. මේ icons ටික මේ විදිහට තිබ්බා කියලා print එකේදී ඔයාලට appear වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ හින්දා තමයි අපි කියන්නේ non printing characters කියලා. right? ඒගොල්ලෝ hide. එහෙම නැත්නම් appear කරගන්නත් පුළුවන් මේ විදිහට. right? ඔයාලට පේන ඇති මේ non printing characters උඩට click කරාම මෙන්න මෙතන පෙන්නනවා dots. right? එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි මේවට කියන මොනවද? මේ ස්පේස් දෙකක් නැත්නම් වචන දෙකක් අතර පොඩි ඩොට් එකක් ඔයාලට පේනවා. මේ ඩොට් එකෙන් කියන්නේ මේ වචන දෙක අතර තියෙන ස්පේස් ප්‍රමාණය. right? ඔයාලට මෙතන පේනවා ඇති off එක ළඟ මෙන්න මේ මම දැන් අරන් යන ඔප්ෂන් එක ළඟ ඩොට් එකයි පොඩි ඉරකුයි තව ඩොට් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ එතන එක ස්පේස් එකකට වඩා තියෙනවා කියලා එතන පෙන්නලා තියෙනවා. right? ඒ වගේම මෙතන arrows නැහැ. right? ඔයගොල්ලෝ tab එක use කරා නම් කොහේ හරි තැනක මේ icon එකත් එක්ක පොඩි arrow එකක් පෙන්නනවා මේ විදිහට. arrow marks එකකින් කියන්නේ tab එක use කරලා තියෙනවා. tab කියලා කියන්නේ tablet එක නෙමෙයි. ඔයාලගේ keyboard එකේ tab කියලා පොඩි key එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ key එකනොත් ඔයාලට පොඩි space එකක් තියන්න පුළුවන්. space bar එකෙන් add කරනවට වඩා ටිකක් ලොකු width එකක් තියෙන space එකක් add කරගන්න පුළුවන්. tab option එක use කරා කියලා පෙන්නනවා. මෙන්න මේ වගේ arrows වලින්. ඊළඟට මෙන්න මේ icon එක main icon එකනේ මෙයා show and hide option එකේ main icon එක මෙයා එයාගෙන් පෙන්නනවා මොනවද ඔයගොල්ලෝ add කරලා තියෙන paragraphs කියන එක. හරි right. මෙතන මගේ paragraphs තියෙනවා කියලා පෙන්නනවා මේ විදිහට right. එතකොට paragraphs එකේ end point එක පෙන්නලා තියෙනවා මේ icon එකේ. I think you are clear with the non-printing characters. Let's come back to the lesson again. Right, hiding white space. Again, come back to the your Word document, right? And you can add new page to your document. Once you click on this icon, you can remove this show and hide option, right? Then here you can add new page. Once you move into the tab called insert, here you can find blank page option, right? While keeping your cursor at the bottom of your current page, you can click on the blank page. You can add new page to your document. හරි. මම මේක ඉතර වෙලාවක් යන්න. ඔයාලට කරන්න. ඒ නිසා I'm not going to give extra time. Okay නේද? හරි. right. මේ විදිහට ඔයාලගේ කර්සර් එක දැනට තියෙන page එකේ පහලින් ගෙනල්ලා place කරලා ඔයාලට පුළුවන් blank page එකක් උඩ click කරන්න. කර්සර් එක කොහෙ තිබුණත් සමහර වෙලාවට ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. ඔයාලට add කරගන්න පුළුවන්. දැනට අපේ එක page එකක් විතරක් තියෙන හින්දා. If you having more pages, right? ඒ pages දෙකක් අතර ඔයාලට add කරගන්න ඕන නම් definitely you should come to the end of the selected page, right? අපේ currently add කරන්න යන page එකට කලින් page එකේ bottom එකට ඔයාලා cursor එක ගේන්න ඕන. Then you can add new page. So here you can see some space, right? We call it as white space, right? Once you move your cursor to that place, you can see pop-up messages appear. Double click to hide white space. මෙන්න මේ page දෙක අතර තියෙන space එක remove කරගන්න double click කරන්න කියනවා. Right? What happened? Once you double click on that, two pages going to combine. Right? Pages දෙක combine වෙලා තියෙනවා. But they act as two pages. Right? The only thing is it's going to remove the white space in between these two pages. හරි? Page දෙක අතර white space එක remove වෙන එක විතරයි වෙන්නේ. But pages going to act as two separate pages. So if you want to add again that space, again you can come into this horizontal line and double click on that. හරි. මේ විදිහට ඔයාලට white space එක add කරගන්න සහ remove කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay. Right. Then next one. Now we move into typing a document. Are you ready? Are you ready to type a document? Right. Before that, you should know about how to keep your hands on your keyboard and how to place your keyboard, right, flexibly, right, to type. So see, this image, I think you can see. It's not that much clear. This one. I think it is clear for you. Yes, ne? My image එක පැහැදිලි නේ, right? So you can see, you should keep your thumbs in the space bar. අර දිගට තියෙන keyboard එකේ අපි ආයෙත් කියනවා space bar එක කියලා. Right? There are keyboard types, right? QWERTY. QWERTY keyboard you can find the letters are starting with Q to Y. QWERTY. මෙන්න මේ මුල් ලකුණු set එකෙන් අපි QWERTY කියන නම හදා ගන්නවා. This kind of keyboards we called as QWERTY type keyboard, right? So other fingers you should keep on A, S, D, F, your left hand, and your right hand should keep on J, K, L, and chord, right? Likewise, you can place your fingers on the keys as appear in this image, right? Then you can start your typing. So if you want to get practice with the typing, increase in typing speed, you can try with, there is an online application called typing.com, right? You can search once you opening your browser. If you have proper internet connection, you can search about typing.com. Can you see my screen? Screen එක පේනව නේද පුතේ? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
right. හරි. typing.com කියලා application එකක් තියෙනවා. මෙතනින් පුළුවන් ඔයාලා practice කරන්න typing speed එක increase කරගන්න. right? මේ විදිහ interface එකක් තමයි ඔයාලට එන්නේ. Then you can click on start typing today. Right? So then you can see it is going to provide several applications to practice by yourself. First one, you can start with the first task. You can click on the start option, right? It will provide a video, sample video, how to do that task, right? If you don't want to see that, you can click on skip video option, right? Then here, this is going to practice you to typing J. Then you can press enter, right? While pressing J, you can press enter like this. You can practice by yourself. Right? It's work as a kind of game. Then you can click on the continue option. Right? Again, if you want to practice with typing F, you can press enter. Then keep your fingers as shown in this image and then start typing F. Then you should find J, right? F, 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 then again J, likewise. Right? Likewise, you can practice this one. Again, you can click on the next. Enter එක press කරලා ඔයාලට typing එක start කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ විදිහට. Right? පැහැදිලිද මේ වැඩේ? I will give you some time to practice this one if you wish, right? Right? So you can practice this one. I will give you a 10 minutes of time, right? Please try with this one, right? Right. Do you guys practice that one? Is it funny or not? Right. I think it is very better place to practice typing. Right. Okay. You can try that one in your free times. Okay. Little difficult, ne? Right. It's kind of a game. Right. එක game එකක් වගේ පුතා. පොඩ්ඩක් ඔයාලට පුළුවන් type කරන්න හරි ලේසියෙන්. Okay. Now it's time to enter some text to your Word document. Right? We learn about how to save a document. I think you already saved your works in your machines. Before moving to next place, I will give you another extra time to type this document, to get this document to your machine. Right? You don't think about the formatting, right? Line spacing, font sizes, right? And the font types. Don't consider those things. Simply, you can start typing in your machine. I will give you, can you type this paragraph or this letter within 2 or 3 minutes? කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවද? මේ මෙන්න මේ මම මෙතන පෙන්නලා තියෙන blue color letters ටික within 2 or 3 minutes type කරන්න පුළුවන්? No. Is there anyone who can type 3 minutes not enough? Right. Okay. Is there anyone? කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවද? Who has high speed typing ability? No. No one is there, ne? Right, okay. Then I will give you 5 minutes. How about that? Is it enough? I want to let you know about your typing speed. When you come to the practical sessions or the practical examinations, right, you should be able to type this kind of paragraph within the given time period. Otherwise, you can't do other practicals. That's why I'm asking about that. Please start typing now. I will give you 5 minutes. Okay. You can do your best. Right. Once you finish your typing, please raise hand. තේරුණා නේද? මම විනාඩි 5ක් දෙනවා ඔයාලට මේක type කරන්න. පොඩ්ඩක් අමාරුයිනේ. ස්ක්‍රීන් එක දිහා බලාගෙන type කරන්න ඕනේනේ. හරි. Okay, take your time and get this paragraph to your machine. I will give you some time. If you finish, please raise hand. මම පොඩි වෙලාවක් දෙන්නම් ඕගොල්ලන්ට type කරන්න. You no need to add color, Kuta, right? Just type. According to the default formatting in your machine, you can do the typing. I want to practice you to type a document within a specific time period, right? Try how much words you can type within the 5 minutes. There are 2%, right? They finish their task. Okay. Now it's increased up to 7, right? Finished papers. How about others? Are they doing their task? Type කරාද කොහොමද? Speed එක ගැන satisfied? Okay. I think you all are finished. Time is enough, right? If then, let's move into the next part, right? Open an existing document, right? Now you have already created document, right? Please save it. You already saved that document. Then if you want to save added text, now you should save your document. Please press Ctrl S with the support of your keyboard. Then you can move into the file option, right? Here you can use open option to open a recently closed document, right? Otherwise, and even though when you are move into the open, you can use this recent options also. You can scroll down to find recently attached document, or you can click on more documents option available at the bottom of the interface, right? Once you click on that, you can see each and every documents related to some weeks, right? For the last week also you can open again this document, right? Likewise, you can open previously created document simply while moving to the file option or the file tab. Under that, you can use open option or the interface that you can see once you move into the file option. Okay, right. Then you can move into the another option, right? Document views. Okay, here you can see Word has 5 document view option. And that option you can see or the available in the view tab on the ribbon. And then it has several groups with the commands. Groups we can identify as views, show, zoom, window, and the macros. And then in this section, you can learn to use the document views command groups to change the way Word displays your document. Under the view option, you can find 5 options are available to see your document. First mode is read mode. You already check that one under the status bar, right? And with the support of read mode, you can change the page layout of the document with the larger font for easier reading. You can see the difference. Okay, you can move into your Word document. You can see your font size is in 11 based on the my document. My font size is in 11. When I move into the read mode, font size going to be large. Right. That's the difference in between these viewing modes. Okay, then again come back to the tute. So here in the read mode, some tools are available for editing and the navigating through the document. And you can, to navigate for the next page, you can use the arrow mark which appear in the page. And then to advance to the next page, that means you can click on that arrow key at the right of the screen and tap if you are using the touch screen. Touch screen නම් ඔයාලට tap කරන්න පුළුවන් හරි ලේසියෙන් page by page. ඒ තමයි read mode එක. read mode එක කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ ඔයාලට document එකක් කියවන්න පුළුවන් විදිහට view කරලා දෙන එක. එතනදී ඔයාලා දැනට use කරලා තියෙන font size එකට වඩා වැඩි font size එකකින් තමයි document එක පෙන්වන්නේ. මේකෙදි සමහර tools මේ option එකේදී මේ view එකේදී available කරලා තියෙන editing වලට, but by default you can't edit the read mode document. කියවන mode එකේ තියෙන document එකක් ඔයාලට edit කරන්න බෑ. then page by page navigate වෙන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් page by page change කරගන්න right side එකේ තියෙනවා arrow key එකක්. මේ arrow key එක උඩ click කරන්න පුළුවන්. if you are using touch screen, ඔයාලට තියෙන touch screen එකක් නම් ලේසියෙන් tap කරන්න පුළුවන් page by page move වෙන්න. then right, another view called print layout, right? That is the second one. With the support of print layout, it is the default view and it's going to display the document as it will look when printed, and then enables you to see or use the ribbon to create and edit your document. හරි, print layout එකේදී තමයි ඔයාලට ribbon එක appear වෙන්නේ edit option එකත් එක්ක. ඊට අනුව ඔයාලට document එක create කරන්න පුළුවන්, edit කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේ features ඔක්කොම enable වෙනවා print layout option එකේදී. Right, and then when we move into the web layout, that's going to show you how the document would look as a web page. web page එකක් විදිහට කොහොමද ඔයාලගේ document එක බලන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ කියන එක තමයි web layout එකෙන් පෙන්නන්නේ. Then outline view going to display the document as an outline and offers an outline tab with commands for creating and editing outlines. හරි, එතකොට ඔයාලගේ paragraph එකක් නම්, හරි, ඔයාලා දැනට read කර ඉන්නේ paragraph එකක් නම්, එහෙම නැත්නම් pages ගොඩක් තියෙන document එකක් නම්, එහෙනම් paragraph එකේ bulk විදිහට තියෙනවා නම්, හරි ලේසියෙන් document එක read කරන්න පුළුවන් with the support of this view, outline view. It's going to show you the document sentence wise. Right, අපි කියන්නේ අර point by point පෙන්නනවා කියලා. අන්න ඒ විදිහට ඔයාලගේ document එක බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Then when it's come to the draft view, it's strictly for editing text. Draft view එක තියෙන්නේ text එක edit කරන්න. It having some advanced element like charts, graphs, and the pictures and the other objects, right, which are hidden in this view, right? මේ view එකේදී ඔයාලට pictures, charts, groups මේ දේවල් add කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Right, Nafli, you send me your document. Okay, I will check that one. Right. Okay, very good. You have typed your document. As I told you, based on my instructions, you work on that. Okay, very good, Putha. Right. Please maintain this document until we end this word lesson series. Right. Okay. Then next week you will meet Wahab sir. Right. He will conduct and continue the word session. Then tomorrow, again, I am going to conduct the session, right? Then from next week onwards, he will continue the word session. Okay, right. So then let's see how we can see these viewing modes in the Word. Again, I am come back to the print layout mode. Under the view tab, you can see this is the view tab. Under the view tab, you can find view groups, right? View group is available. Under that, you can see it's having 5 options. Read mode, you know about the read mode, and then print layout mode, current mode or the default mode is print layout, then web layout. We try with these 3 in the status bar, right? Then outline mode. These are the external things, right? Or the additional weaving parts. You can see page break is appear here to move into the next page. It's going to provide this paragraph as a point view, right? Point view එකක් විදිහට ඔයාලට paragraph ටික මෙයා පෙන්නලා තියෙනවා. Right? You can use these icons, right, for more formatting. Then show first line only. If you click on that, you can see it's going to summarize your paragraphs into first few letters, right? පළවෙනි letters ටික විතරක් පොඩි sentence එකක් විතරක් appear කරලා අනිත් ටික hide කරනවා. Likewise, you can check about your document, right, as a summary. Summary එකක් විදිහට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් outline view එකේදී. Then the other one, draft view, right? Once you move into the view page, you can see draft view. Here, you can add new window. It's going to provide these facilities, right? So when you click on the draft view, it is appear like this, right? You can draft your document. Okay. So you can practice with these 5 different view modes in your free times. Again. Now you know how to change the document view option. We discussed about this part. Then this one, auto hide ribbon option or the ribbon display option, right? Let's see what is this ribbon display option, right? Once you come to your Word document and come back to the print layout mode, in this section, left side top corner, you can find another arrow mark. Once you move into that arrow mark, you can see ribbon display option, right? ඔයාලට පුළුවන් දකුණු අත පැත්තේ උඩම side එකට ගියපුවාම ඔයාලගේ Word document එකේ icons 4ක් appear වෙනවා. එකක් අපි use කරනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඒ තුන ගැන හොඳටම familiar. minimize කරන්න, maximize කරන්න සහ close කරන්න තමයි අපි මේ options තුන පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. Right? When it comes to this icon, it's going to ribbon display option. Provide you to ribbon display option. Once you click on that, you can see auto hide ribbon option is available. Show tabs is available and show tabs and commands. Right? Now you are in this position. Show tabs and commands. Right? That means according to my machine, I am in the show tabs and commands option. Then if you want to hide ribbon, simply you can click on that. You can see ribbons going to hide. So if you want to appear again, you can click on this 3-dotted line, right? Then it will appear again. Then again click on this auto ribbon hidden option. Second option is there, show tabs, right? මෙතන දැන් ඔයාලට tabs ටික appear වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Once you click on that, it's going to provide only the tabs names. Right? Tab name ටික විතරයි appear වෙන්නේ. It's going to hide the commands. Once you click on the insert, then it will appear the commands based on the tab. Right? Likewise, even when it comes to the page, you can see commands going to be hide. Okay. So then another option, show tabs and command. Once you keep the ribbon formatting in this option, right, ribbon going to display every time. Right. Likewise, you can customize your interface. So the another one is, once you click on the file, here you can see at the bottom level option, right? So once you click on the option, you can change the color theme of your machine, right? Here under the general, you can find office theme option is there. Once you click on this arrow mark, you can take your office theme as a colorful one, or the dark gray, or the black, or white, right? Or otherwise you can keep it as use system setting, right? Once you click on this dark gray, you can see, once select the dark gray and then click on OK option, you can keep your interface like this, if you wish to work this kind of background. ගොඩක් අය ඉන්නවනේ black color theme එකට ආස කරන. and මේක dark grey එක. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් කැමති නම් මේ theme එකේ ඉඳලා වැඩ කරන්න. right? එහෙම නැත්නම් you can move into the another theme. Again come to the file. Go to bottom of this menu list and click on the option, right? And click on the office theme, black. Okay, you can see it's going to convert as a full document into blank, right? You can work on any theme as you wish while changing your office theme from these options. Right? I'm not like to work with this kind of environment, so then I'm going to click on the colorful theme. Clear? Right, okay. Alright, I will repeat it again. Is it okay to explain in Sinhala? No, අපව සිංහලෙන් කියන්න එකපාරක්. right. ඔයාලට පුළුවන් ඔයාලගේ machine එකේ color theme එක වෙනස් කරන්න. No, English. Okay. You can change the color theme in your interface. Simply go to the file in your tabs. Right. Select on the file. Right. Once you click on the file, you may take this kind of interface. Then come to the bottom of this list, menu list. Click on the option. Right. Based on your office version, you may find option at the top. Right. According to my machine, I can find the options at the bottom. Okay. So then you will take this kind of dialog box. Under the general, you can see office theme is available. Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Right here, you can find office theme. Then username you can change. If you want to change your username in your machine with your name, you can change it as well. Right. So then office theme, you can check. It's having colorful, dark gray, black, white, likewise. 4 themes are available. You can use one of them based on your preference, right? Then click on OK. You can take dark gray interface like this. Otherwise, I'm not like to work with this kind of environment. So I'm going to change my office theme into colorful one. Okay, I think it's clear, ne? ඔයාලට පුළුවන් පුතේ ඔයාලගේ office package එකේ වැඩ කරන environment එකේ මෙතන මේ appear වෙලා තියෙන color theme එක වෙනස් කරගන්න files වලට ගිහිල්ලා file වල තියෙන options මෙන්න මේ පහළම තියෙන options කියන option එක හරහා හරි general කියන theme එක යටතේ color theme එක වෙනස් කරගන්න office theme එක right එතන list එකේ පෙන්නනවා items 4ක් මේ 4න් ඔයාලට කැමති එකක් select කරන්න පුළුවන් right ඔයාලගේ machine එක අනුව තමයි මෙතන 4ක් appear වෙන්නේ right version එක අනුව මෙතන appear වෙන list එක change වෙන්න පුළුවන් then click on OK you will get the background interface that as you selected right all right only 3 colors are available. It doesn't matter Buddha right based on your office version it may be changed හරිනේ right zoom part we discuss about the zoom right using zoom option under the view you can work with the zoom option is available under the view tab you can see zoom groups is there you can click on this icon for the zooming right you can change zoom up to 200 100 or 75 you can change the percentage while changing this text and then page width you can change text width you can change and the whole page you can change or the zoom right then you can click on OK you can see page going to be zoom right then you can keep page as one page or the multiple pages you can see right and then page width බලන්න page එකේ width එකත් එක්ක මෙයා change වෙන විදිහ. ඊළඟට multiple pages ඔයාලට appear කරගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාගේ Word document එකේ. Within the same screen. Right? Pages දෙකක් තිබ්බා මගේ document එකේ. Right? Multiple pages option එක හරහා pages දෙකම appear කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Then one page option. Once you click on the one page option, you can see interface going to provide only one page. Likewise, you can use this view option to changing the page viewing option, right? Okay, so you can zoom it out in and so you can do the zooming option, right? Zoom in and out. Then you can change the page setting into multiple pages, so one page, and also you can appear your text with the page width. Page එකේ width එකත් එක්ක appear කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඊළඟට page එකේ pages ටික multiple pages විදියට appear කරගන්න පුළුවන් screen එකේ. එහෙමත් නැත්නම් one page එකක් විදිහට appear කරගන්න පුළුවන්. These options are available under the view tab and the group is Zoom. Zoom කියන group එක යටතේ තමයි මේ ටික තියෙන්නේ. Okay, then let's do other things in tomorrow. We can discuss about the other parts in tomorrow class. Right. Okay. I think you are clear up to this point. Yes, all the class recordings are available through the YouTube. Right, you can see them without downloading. Right. Okay. No, I will never delete these videos from the YouTube. You can see them anytime. Right? So, are you guys clear with today's session? YouTube name is DIT 9th intake, Puta. DIT 9th intake. Okay. Right. Do you have any doubt or question? No. Is it clear for you? To activate Microsoft Office for your PC, please download the track version, right? Okay, you can get it from the through the online or the internet, right? Then install it into your machine, right? If you can't find the Office package or if you can't download the track version, please get the support from the experts, right? Then you can install it into your machine, right? Try to find out the track version of Microsoft Office package. Right. If you are okay with today's session, I'm going to wind up the session for today. Let's meet in next class to continue the session. Right. Okay. Then thank you guys for supporting me to conduct the session very effectively. Right. Then let's meet in next class. So then goodbye everyone and stay safe. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Okay. Practical කරන device එක. ඉතින් දැනට නම් practical class එකේ physical class එකේ ඉඩ නැති තරම්. හරි. මොකද දැනට physical group එකේ හැමෝම present හැමදාම lectures වල please discuss with the Achilles sir. Right? Achilles sir එක්ක චුට්ටක් කතා කරලා බලන්න කොහොමද availability එක කියලා. Okay. Then let's wind up. Thank you very much.